Welcome back to the channel, Biscuits. I hope that the week ahead for Thanksgiving is treating you well and that you are tidying up and getting ready to have a good holiday week. I know this is a weird week coming up for a lot of people with a lot of mixed feelings, so I thought, you know what? I'll bring you along on a nice, fun, deep clean, picking up lots of stuff, scrubbing, sweeping, just getting my bedroom and my bathroom tidied, because God knows it always needs so much more cleaning than I would think. I always think, how does a bedroom even get dirty? I just lay in here and sleep and use it as my soft office to type on my computer. How does it get so many crumbs on the ground? And then I look around and I go, oh, small humans, I see how I got those crumbs. Good to know. I have decided that possibly for the new year, I might splurge and get a new broom. I'm thinking about it. My broom is starting to wear down now, where even after I trimmed it and recut it to freshen it up, it's still not working quite as well as a new broom, so we'll see. Give me in the comments your best tips for the best brand of broom that is really good on laminate floors that are kind of slick. Because I think I might have to go wild next year and buy myself a new broom. I know, you're thinking, the extravagance of these crazy YouTubers is insane. It just feels so good to get everything tidied up. And I love having the Christmas decorations out early. It makes me so happy to, during this time of year, when I always find November a difficult transition month, because for us in the Seattle area, it's when everything turns really gray. The sky is just overcast a lot. It's not that we get big storms, we just get kind of overcast, gray, dull, depressing days. And so, putting up trees, putting out Christmas lights and Christmas pillows, it just makes the days so much more enjoyable and so much more fun, especially when I'm home all the time right now, which has also motivated me to do some more deep cleaning and some more organizing and tidying, because I think that is really just going to make the holiday season kick off to the right vibe, right? I want there to be merriment and cheer and magic this year in the holidays for everybody, because I feel like we all need it even more than we normally do right now. We need joy and sparkle. And it's hard to have the joy and sparkle, or it's hard to enjoy the joy and sparkle, for me at least, if my bedroom is just covered in toys and snack wrappers and God knows what. And when you lay in bed and your room is clean and fresh and wonderful, there's just something delightful about having a clean space to rest your head in. And God knows I'm guilty frequently of letting my bedroom just pile up with, cups on my nightstand and books that I'm reading, toys that my son is playing with, work stuff for when I shoot in here. I shoot a lot of my Patreon content in my bedroom, and it's just easy to kind of have it be muddled between work and parenting and life and not feel like a relaxing, happy zone, which is my goal with the bedroom. And one of the things I'm working on over the next couple months is kind of just rearranging, decluttering, organizing my bedroom so that it feels serene and happy. No big giant projects, just making it happy and joyful, so that I can feel more calm and rested in my bedroom, which is, I think, for all of us, one of our safest spaces where we most want to feel relaxed and feel that holiday magic. So let's get cleaning. I'm going to get on some tunes. I am going to rock and roll, and I'm going to get this room to be sparkly clean. Oh yeah. Woo, biscuits! We have cleaned, we have tidied. I knew we could do it. I believe in us. I hope you're watching this video while you're cleaning too, feeling all inspired, or better yet, you're sitting back, eating the pie you were saving for Thanksgiving, and enjoying the vlog thinking, I'll clean later, because let's be honest, sometimes that's the best way to spend your weekend. I'm going to see you in the next video. Don't forget, biscuits, the holiday shopping season is upon us, and I would love it if you clicked on to the link to my little shop in the description box that takes you to all my merch of mugs and hats and teas. They are a great thing to give as gifts, and sometimes too just to get yourself a cozy t-shirt to wander around the house in this holiday season for yourself. There are some awesome sales going on my mugs and teas over the next week, so keep your eyeballs peeled. I'll see you in the next video. I love you all, biscuits. I hope you are having a wonderful day. See you in the next video.